The Parliamentary Assembly of Bosnia and Herzegovina is the bicameral legislative body of Bosnia and Herzegovina. It consists of the following two chambers. The House of Representatives, Croatian, Zastupnički dom, Serbian, Predstavnički dom has 42 members, elected for a 4-year terms by proportional representation. The House of Peoples has 15 members, appointed by the parliaments of the entities, 5 members elected by the National Assembly of the Republic of Srpska, 5 members, by the Bosniak Club of the House of Peoples of the Parliament of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina and 5 members, by the Croatian Club of the House of Peoples of the Parliament of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Its predecessors were the Unicameral Assembly of Bosnia and Herzegovina and the People's Assembly of Bosnia and Herzegovina.